Hello my dear madams, welcome to Vastranand. In today's episode, I will show you the Tanchur art prints in a border part with elegant, lightweighted, soft, trussed material saree with a golden zari striped waves in entire the body parts with a Ratapad style designs in entire the border part, double ikat style border in a golden zari waves, and we have more than 4,500 plus designs, different category, different color combination and premium quality. That's my guarantee. So must be visit our website www.vastranand.in and you can download our application in Android and iOS device. Daily we are launching 4 to 5 different designs in affordable price point. So must be visit our Instagram channel Vastranand IND and you can subscribe our YouTube channel as with Vastranand. Let me show you the two color options. Here you can see the first one is a blue color, blue with a bright green, dark bottle green with the middle parts you receive the brown color combination, and second one is the lemon golden yellow with elegant dark bottle green color combination, the Tanchur art prints border. Let me show you the one full look of this saree border. Both designs are same, only color options are available with elegant lightweighted breathable soft trussed materials with a golden zari slub waves in entire the body parts. Here you can see the Tanchur art prints in a printed pallu part, small belt in entire the pallu with a very unique tassels part with a dark green color combination, the contrast color combination, the Tanchur art prints digitally formats in entire the border part. Look at the beauty of this Tanchur art prints border with a Shibori prints in entire the body part. This saree you received at just rupees 999 rupees, free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available with additional cost with a small parrot butties in entire the blouse piece. If you like our collection, then like Chandi, share Chandi, subscribe Chandi our YouTube channel and must be follow Instagram page Vastranand. And daily we are launching 4 to 5 different designs. Our customer care executive number is 8154000063, Monday to Saturday morning 10 to evening 6, and we are providing total 6 multi-language support: Hindi, English, Telugu, Tamil, Gujarati and Marathi. Total 6 multi-language support we are providing in our customer care executive number. Here you can see the second color options, the sky blue with a magenta color combination middle border, and both side upper and below border you receive the bottle green color combination with a golden zari waves. This saree also you received at just rupees 999 rupees, free shipping all over India, Kanivini Arigani designs in affordable price point. Vastram Madi, Anandam Medi. Buy now at Vastranand.in.